Hi folks, so today we're going to talk about ZecWallet Lite and the migration to YWallet. So if you have a version of ZecWallet Lite, so you have a wallet and you have issues opening it, I've downloaded 178. So if I launch 178, it appears stuck on this setting things up and not making any progress. I can't do anything. I can't get the seed. I cannot export my private keys. Basically, I'm stuck here. So one thing you can try is to download the latest version. So I'm going to do that now. Actually, I haven't tried. So let's try that. So I go for desktop and then download Windows binaries 1716. So I need to wait for the download. I can decompress and launch it. Alright, so now I have opened ZecWallet Lite 1716, and well, the progress is different, but I think depending on your situation, this also can take very long time. So one thing I would try is to let it go and see if you can open your wallet. So my wallet was created not so long ago, so that shouldn't be a problem. But if your wallet is older and if you have a lot of keys, this may not work. And like the other case, the other version, while this is synchronizing, I cannot do anything. Alright, so let's assume that this doesn't work, this takes too long, and we need another way to recover our wallet. So let's close this, switch back to Chrome and close this. There is a command line version of ZecWallet Lite, so you can find on GitHub, and you can look for ZecWallet Lite CLI, this one. Then you go to the releases, and there are several versions you can download. Since this is a Windows machine, I'm going to download the Windows version. So download the Windows version, and then do the same thing, decompress. So since this is a command line version, I need to open a shell. I need to open a command prompt, and then run it from there. Okay, this is where I decompress my file. And if I run ZecWallet Lite CLI, this should try to open the wallet. But then you have the same problem. The problem is that this guy is gonna try to recover to rescan, and this may take too long. Again, you can try to do it, leave it go, but if it's really taking too long, then we cannot do this. So what we can do instead is to pass the option no sync. Sorry, so you have to pass the option no sync, and the wallet is ready right away. And then you can do export, and this will show you all your keys. So my wallet was just created for this experiment, so it has these accounts are all empty. So you can see this wallet has 3 shielded addresses and 5 transparent one. So now let's quit that, and we can also export directly from the command line. So we press export, and we redirect that to a file. So I'm going to call my file wallet.zwalletlite. So this is going to do the same thing, but create a file that has all my keys, all my addresses and keys. So this is the same. I can't see that, but if I do that, you can see this is the content of the file. Now with YWallet, let's launch YWallet. So here I have YWallet, and I'm on the I'm on the main account, so the account manager. Let's press and import the file that we just created. Then I long press this button, so long press is important, of course, and then click restore batch. Normally you should be restoring, normally you would be restoring encrypted backup from YWallet, but if you leave the backup encryption empty, you can load the backup from ZecWallet Lite. Okay, let's load backup and then go to my directory. Alright, so once I do that, I have the 3 accounts. So it will only import, by the way, it will only import the shielded addresses. And you can see that these are the shielded addresses. So UQ9 should match the one from the shell. UQ9, then we have LLY, and we have MZOP. QQ is first one, then we go to second one, LLY, yeah, and then the last one is Q something, MZOP, sorry, MZOP. So we have these 3 accounts imported. All I need to do now is to do a scan. So before you do the scan, make sure that you are connected to a good wallet server. So ZecWallet Lite is a good one. And then select OK. Then I can rescan. So now we started to scan. So this is faster than obviously this is faster than having to look for your keys manually. And you can see you can do this without being connected, well, without having to restore the entire wallet. So we are here and we are currently 45%. We have about 1 million blocks to go and we're 2 years behind. Alright, so the thing should take place without issues. Alright, this is it. This is a faster way or easier way to import ZecWallet accounts into YWallet.